In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment light sensor with fan. For that, let's take the light sensor and let's use the DC fan. Now let's connect the power supply positive of battery to the positive of light sensor. The third pin, that is negative of light sensor, to the negative of battery. From the signal, that is center pin of the light sensor, to the positive of the fan. From negative pin, that is black wire of fan, to negative of power supply. So, why it is not working? Is there any problem? No, this is because the signal from light sensor is very less that it is unable to drive the DC motor. So what we can use? We can use a transistor module to increase the signal power from light sensor. As usual, let's connect positive of battery to the positive of light sensor, negative of light sensor to the negative of battery. From the center pin, signal of light sensor to the center pin, that is signal of transistor. Let's turn on the transistor by giving power supply to the first pin from battery positive. From output of transistor to the positive of fan. Be careful, as soon as you connect the circuit, the fan is going to turn on. Please don't put your fingers or your hand on the fan because the fan is rotating very faster. It may harm your hands. From the negative of fan to the negative of battery. Now you can see that as the light sensor is turned on with the light, the fan is running. Now let's close the light sensor by using thumb. So you can see that fan is turned off completely. If I open, with very less light, fan is rotating slower. If I increase the light falling on the light sensor, fan speed is increasing. It means based on the light intensity, we are controlling the speed of fan by using light sensor. To make it more simple, we can use a switch module to control the fan. I am taking the switch module. So rather than giving the transistor output directly to the fan, I am giving the same to the positive of switch. As usual, negative of DC fan to the negative of battery. I am taking extra connector and connecting from negative of switch module to the positive of DC fan. Now it is not rotating. Let me turn on the slide switch. So it's working. So even if light sensor is working, we can turn on the output by using switch module. You can use the push button to check. At the same time, even if the switch module is on, if we close the light sensor or if we stop the light falling on light sensor, we can turn off the fan.